This time we came 16 students and teachers. We felt so happy to be here, and we found that MISIS is really a leading university in engineering and science in Russia, and we found Moscow city vibrant and interesting and active.
I like the most activities is the exchange activities. We learned a lot from students in MISIS about Russia's culture. The most attracted me is Moscow's the beautiful sense and the kind people here. If I have an opportunity, I will come back again.
I love the Russian language lessons the most. I think the Russian language is very difficult before, but the MISIS teacher is very patient and taught me a lot of Russia's words, such as Zdravствуйте, До свидания, and Хорошо, Отлично, and so on. It's very good.
I'm deeply amazed the 3D printing of biomaking. This is a great chance to learn from top professors and meet students from all over the world, and experience at one of the best technical universities.
This school is very nice. I think it has strong academic and other student is very interesting. I like this in different cultures communication. I very recommend it to come here because it's a nice chance to communication with other culture and to training ourselves like some verbal communication and study and a lot of things.
And I can't imagine that within a year we have done such a lot for our collaborations. And I would like to say that all the teachers, professors, students of MISIS are welcome to our campus. 欢迎密西斯的师生、教授、领导来到内蒙古科技大学。